Description: Moisturizing shampoo provides moisture to the hair from inside out. New improved formula. Packaging may vary. Paraben-free. Benefits: cleanse, sulfate-free, repair, shine, control, protects color, luxurious lather. Suggested use: apply to wet hair. Massage into lather and rinse. Repeat if necessary. Bassu Moisture, love your shine and condition. Nature provides superior ingredients for hair care, skin care and hair color. Surface Hair's Bassu shampoo provides a sulfate-free cleanse with to begin your Bassu regimen. Envelope in luxurious and full lather. Certified Organic Babassu Oil is a non-drying penetrating oil that is beneficial for either dry or oil skin and hair by restoring moisture, adding shine and protecting color. Moringa Oil. Babassu Oil. Aloe. Flaxseed Oil. Amaranth. Top reviews from the United States. What a difference. My hair is color treated and the ends were getting really damaged. This shampoo, recommended by my stylist, and their conditioner, mousse and hair oil have made a huge difference in the health of my hair. Wowzer. No going back. Just try it.